Keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kathy again, and on today's video we're going to do the unboxing of this package that came the other day. So for that, let's open it. This is the orange, the purple, and the pink. The name of the company that made this called iceSword is IceSword. There, that's the name of the company, iceSword. So looking at these cases in person, this is very minimalist. And oh my god, guys, this thing, it feels good. You know the inside part, look at that, guys. This is iceSword. This is iceSword right there, you know. And then this lining, it's like microfiber. Look, can you guys see? So now we're going to put the iPhone 14 Pro Max. OMG. Ah, my god, guys, I love this. This is a very high quality silicone case, guys. Look at that. And they also said that this is MagSafe compatible. This is amazing. You just put your phone like that. You heard that? And it's charging. Okay, now let's put the color orange. Same thing as this orange. Look at that, guys. It is a microfiber again that will really protect the back of your phone. And for that, OMG, this is very stylish. I'll recommend this iceSword. This is very nice quality product. I'm happy with this. One more, the pink. Yeah, I never expect that this product is this good because I'm just seeing it online. Never had this on my hand, only today. And again, this corner makes it very protective. This one right here, like so, when it hits the ground, probably like it won't really mess up your phone. It has a very sleek minimalist design. And again, when you have a charger, this is, see, start charging right there. Apple, guys, look at this. I have this. I can still use these. Look at that. It's a hack, huh? Look, it's not falling or anything. This is very nice. And even though I put it up there, this is so cool. Diba? This is very nice, guys. Look at that. I can use my pop socket from here to here. These cases are made of silicone. Yeah, silicone or synthetic rubber that are very durable and lightweight, and so it is softer. This is amazing. Some of the silicone, like if you do that, it gets scratched. This one doesn't even scratch at all. I'm very amazed with this product, guys. I am very amazed. Look at that. Like, so, and it looks like this will be easy to clean. So yeah. Diba? Look at that. This is amazing. I love this product, guys. So if you guys found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and for that, thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys. And to be honest guys, this iSword, you're not gonna see their name when you put this on your phone, because the iSword name is inside the case and there's nothing here.